Well, official Kumasi Asante Kotoko on a deadline day, and I'm confirming Emmanuel KOTEI moved from Nsoatreman to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And as you can see on the screen, flyers need dear him, a dear Huruseri, kama. Screen also no. Emmanuel KOTEI akwaba to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na how many years and all sign ye. Nina Hwasem Mohammed bro, fi ampacho wa super 24 TV. Unsubscribe ya wadaroma. No one hit the red subscribe button. No one boadoma no so. Now you build it together. Information will be say a toha ne see the bro. Follow your social media handles no so. Facebook super 24 TV. Instagram Kumasi blogman. Nafi yedika subu no. Now yen confirm Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And ne area and our confirmation by concerning Emmanuel KOTEI say the new or the first player or must sign in the second transfer window. Let's take it on record. Sheffield deal no confirmation, but for now, the first one at Kumasi Asante Kotoko assign Emmanuel KOTEI. Said the union no free Nsoatreman and a buy, but before Nsoatreman no now Obobo Tamale cities. And I said Tamale City, yes, or 26-year-old. Yeah, 26-year-old, a normal average. Now the position are obono a right back position. Nature say all no one ha a bit ebeko. And I say the Ohubiano technical direction no ebetre. But meanwhile, but for information can create in Chemu and Kudus Mohammed, according to information a free Abidjan Urban same one ha Ghana against Egypt no so obetimi asa mixi. It's quite unfortunate though, but we are hoping say in Sayebeba with regards to sa information na ebano na Kurus etimi enya and come back to Ghana Black Stars. Coach Kresiutin and ason ya den. Kudus ni ho anka obebo Richmond Lamte no. What the Richmond Lamte match day squad kra wan fanam na wo patch say. What the yesi emphasem nto baby. Emmanuel KOTEI in some of the two Kotoko official website and I see YouTube channel no enoni. Was say Kotoko is every player's dream, and finally mine has been realized. As a local boy, having the opportunity to wear our colors means everything, he told the club's media. Let's just say asema obi attack and me say Kotoko no we player now bobo Ghana nko ande you dream say obeba Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And also let's state say Emmanuel KOTEI oye Kumasi boy unyini okurum ha and now obo ne ball na ansana oko Tamale cities Nsoatreman ni ade no. Nti ye man akwaba e biom to the best football club in Ghana, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Isa mutu yemfa nkutwa luto medawase.